Hey Ernie, can you show us the dimensions of this?
This is 24 by 24.
Okay, so 24 by 24.
24 by 24. It's going to be up 5 and almost over 5 inches.
Okay. And we are putting this underneath my recliner so it can lift it, you guys. So my Lash bed is a recliner from Living Spaces, and this will be at the bottom so that it can lift me up and the chair is not too low. So my contractor is building, this is really easy. We went to Home Depot, and as you can see, really easy. This right here was already cut, you guys. So you can get this pre-cut and then get this cut, right? They cut this.
Measure it, yeah. I mean,
yeah.
Just to make the square, it's 24 inches in length, and then it's a 2x4, so you have to subtract 4 inches.
Yeah.
To make the square, so it's 20 inches. The shorter piece to 20.
All right. So you guys, I'm very OCD and I'm very cautious. So when I can't do something, I'm not gonna try to do it myself. I hire professionals to do it. And if this would have been me, you guys, I would have just Ernie, he says you have to pre-drill first when you're dealing with wood. Because if you just fucking hammer it down, that shit might break, right, Ernie? Or shatter, or whatever the fuck. Wow. What a fuck. Yes, Ernie. Yes. Pro. Alright, so Ernie here got the material. We got the material that best matches my recliner. So this was and what type of material is this, Ernie?
This is fleece.
Fleece, you guys. So it's nice and thick fleece. Highly recommended. But we're showing you, we're doing the most, you guys. Look. Wow, Ernie. So that's like a stapler?
Staple gun. Staple
gun, you guys. Yep. You guys heard it. What staple gun is that? What staple gun is that? What is the material name? Look, you know what material, whatever material you like. And it's a staple gun. And it's a personal preference. All right, you guys, it's almost done. Look at that. All done by a DeWalt staple gun. Cut it up, you guys, neatly. Look, staple it up. Now that is impressive as fuck, Ernie. Thank you so much. Let's go put this together and show these ladies how it looks. Alright, so this is my recliner chair. I got it at Living Spaces. I'll show you after, so please don't DM me. I don't answer my DM. I'll show you all the photos of the tag, so you know. Look, so we're gonna put this under here, so it could be higher. See that? I guess we got the wrong color. It looks fucking blue, Ernie. It looks blue, Ernie.
Well, the good thing is that this costed $3 and we can always go back and get another color.
Okay, yeah, but look, so we put this right here.
Oh. And then this actually you can mount it to the base if you wanted to.
Oh shit. Yeah, this color's fucking off. See it live, you guys. Yeah. Oh hell no, I'm so done, you guys. Look, we're going back to Johans, getting another fucking fabric. Okay, look. Blue. It looks fucking blue, but it looks great when we got it. Look at this. Bomb.com. Alright, you guys, so but the height is fucking perfect. The height is perfect. It's just the color is baby blue gray. Okay. Fuck it. Going back to Johans. Let's go, you guys. Follow me. Welcome to the life of Cammy Nguyen LLC, you guys. At Johans. Let's do this. Oh yeah, here you go. This matches. Well, you know what? It wasn't a mistake, you guys, because we put the fleece down. It gives it a thicker, Ernie says it gives it a thicker, a thicker covering. And then now we're going to actually put a material. We're just going to put it over the fleece. Let me see that one. Oh, I don't know. I think it's this one. Yeah, more? Kinda. No, not even. I think it's more beige. Yeah, something like that. Like this. I think this one. What do you think, Ernie? Okay, this is a possibility.
We can hold on to it.
We can hold on to it, yeah. You guys, it's a perfect match! Yay! Perfect match for the carpet. This was even better because we're just stapling it over the fleece. It makes it more of a cushion. It makes it thicker and even better. So yeah, it happened for a reason, you guys. Everything happens for a fucking reason. Guys, while Ernesto is working his magic, I'll tell you a little bit about the chair. The chair is material. So I recommend this is for my home, you know, so this is for my home lashing. I lash on my friends and my family and models, you know, it's for my home. But if you're working in a salon, you should get a recliner that is like maybe leather, so it's easier to clean and wipe down. That's one advice that I have for you. And also, if you're gonna have like this chair, which is cloth, you know, which is material, I would suggest that with each and every client, you put a cover over it, disposable cover. And I'm going to show you what disposable cover that I'm going to use on my friends and my family and my models. So this right here, you can get on Amazon. You can get it at any beauty supply store. I got it on Amazon, and as you can see, it's so big. It covers the whole chair, and this is what I use. It's non-woven white body paper, you guys. I don't use the regular like paper because it's really crinkly and it makes a lot of noise. This is really nice with each and every client, with each and every family member and friends and model. I always use one for each client, you guys. It's disposed of with every client, okay? So if you have a client, make sure that you are, you use disposable paper. I say even with the leather chair, I suggest that you wipe it down. I'm a very OCD person. I'm a very clean person. So if I were to work in a salon, I would have like a leather chair, which you can totally wipe down, and put a body paper over. Or if you have, and if you don't want to do that, you can get a leather chair so that there is, it's good quality leather, so that you can, wipe it down with antibacterial spray, or alcohol. And then, you want to be really cleanly, especially in these times of days, we're opening our salons up, and, you want to be very careful. So this is the body paper that I use. And then this is the roll right here. I'll show you. I got this on Amazon, you guys. See this? I got this on Amazon. And this is a big long roll. So there is like smaller rolls, you want a longer roll. And let me tell you, I don't know. Look, I'm gonna show you guys a picture. So please don't DM me to ask any questions about this. I do not check my DMs, but what I'm gonna do for you is make sure that you screenshot everything that I'm gonna show you after this, after this, because I'm gonna show you the chair. I'm gonna show you everything that I got on Amazon and that you can find, okay? All right, you guys, please do not DM me. I do not answer any of my business DMs. I have an account manager, and all she does is just answer, making sure that business inquiries go to the right department, okay? So please, if you have any business inquiries or anything like that, if you DM, it's just gonna go to customer service. But we do not answer any questions, especially when it's about this, because I'm telling you the most. So please pay attention and please screenshot everything. No DMs. Thank you so much. All right, so this is how it should look in the back. There's no need to make like a 4-wall. You just need this, you guys. Look, bomb.
It does need to look pretty because it's always going to be upside down. So.
Yeah. Whatever Ernie said. Everybody make sure this is like, I'm always, I have a lot of common sense, you guys, and I do a lot of research. I just do it. It's a personal preference. So, I'm just showing you guys what I like and what I prefer and what I'm doing. But you can do whatever you want. You can use whatever material you want. Make sure that you go out there and actually do it. I'm that type of person who asks, I don't just ask a lot of questions, but I do it. It's trial and error, you guys. So it's whatever decor you have in your room, whatever chair you want, go out there, sit on a recliner. Shit, whatever color you prefer. Like you want black, white recliner, you want gray, whatever, But this is just what I like, and, I just match my carpet in my house. So that's why I just love this recliner. All right, you guys, and make sure that you stay tuned after all this. I'm going to make sure you screenshot. I'm going to show you pictures of all the materials, like the chair, the recliner, like everything that, I can show you. Make sure that you screenshot it, okay? So let's stay tuned, you guys. We're not done yet. I'm going to show you how it looks underneath now that we got the right color. This is so fucking dope. So clean. It's like nice upholstery. Nice upholstering, Ernie. Yes, you guys, get yourself an Ernie. Go, you guys, this is how it looks. Look at this. So dope. Fucking dope. Damn, shiz. I love it. I love this chair, you guys, because look, now this chair right here, you can mount it. It has screws, so he's gonna screw it in, you guys. Keep it nice and sturdy and shit. Yep, and then we're, look at that, you guys, look at this. Oh yeah. We are done. Gorgeous, perfect, clean, slick. Look at that. Screwed it on, yep, nice, yep. Yeah, my bitch just won't flip over. We are so done, you guys. Beautiful. The number one reason why I really love this chair, it's because it has push buttons, you guys, and not a lever. So you can push, see this push button, you guys? Boom, look. All right, look at that. Boom. And then a USB cord for your clients. Okay, because everybody has their phone. All right, so this is how it looks, guys. Yes, with my non-woven cover, disposable cover for each and every client. You change it out. For me, it's each and every family member, friends, models that I do. I don't take clients. I don't do clients anymore, you guys. I do videos for you guys. So this is how my setup is.